Hi guys, welcome back to ASAP. So in today's video, we are going to see how to join meetings from Gmail. So from our Gmail, we can use Meet to schedule and join meetings. So to use Meet in Gmail, we need a Google account or a work or school Google Workspace account. We can also use Gmail mobile app and we can also use our PC. So first of all, we are going to see how to show or hide Meet in Gmail. So there are two ways to show or hide Meet in Gmail. So after opening the Gmail, we have to click on the gear icon, which is the setting. So the first way is to click on see all settings. After loading the see all settings, we have to click on chat and meet, and in the chat and meet we have to click on show the meet section in the main menu. After that we have to click on save changes, and after the page gets reloaded we would be able to see the Gmail Google Meet icon. So in here we can see that our Google Meet icon is visible. Now there is also one more way from which we can do it. So for that we just have to again click on the gear icon, and rather than clicking on the see all settings we have to click on chat and meet customize option. So if I click on chat and meet customize option, I get two options here. Choose which apps to use in Gmail, Google Chat or Google Meet. If I just uncheck on this and if I click on done, it tells me that to change which app is visible, Gmail needs to reload. Then I have to click on reload, and once the page gets reload, our Google Meet icons get hide or it's won't be visible. As you can see, it's not visible here. We are going to turn it on again. So for that again we have to click on our gear icon, and after the clicking on gear icon we have to click on customize, and again to enable or to display the Google Meet we have to check the Google Meet section and we have to click on done, and we have to reload the page, and here we can see our Google Meet icon, it's visible. So if I want to create a new meeting from Gmail, so after clicking on the Gmail icon, after that I have to go to Google Meet icon and click on that. Once the Google Meet is open here, I have to click on new meeting. In the new meeting there is a URL that is generated for our meeting. So what I can do, I can click on send invite, and I can just copy the meeting invite if I want to just copy the link and thereby share with someone, or else what I can do, I can again click on send invite and I can click on share via mail. So once I click on share via mail, I can now send this meeting invite over a mail. So a new mail opens here. So as you can see here, it also displays a message on its own. ASAP Connect has invited you to join a Google Video Meet on Google Meet. So I can click on to and I can add my participants, and I can just click on send. So this is how I can share my Google Meet invite via mail. The message has been sent now. Let's suppose if I want to join a meeting from Gmail. So once again I have to click on the Meet icon. After clicking on the Meet icon, to the right I have to click on join with the code. So let's suppose we are having a code here. So I can just enter the meeting nickname or the code whichever we are getting. So in here I'm just going to write, and I just have to click on join. This is how I can join a Google Meet here. So the page is getting loaded and all my details are getting loaded here, and after getting ready we will be able to join the meeting in here. So let's suppose if I want to join a scheduled meeting, I again have to click on meet icon, and under my meetings I can join the scheduled meeting, whichever's the meeting that are coming in my Google Calendar. So that are the only meeting that would be visible here, and that are the only meeting I can join under the scheduled meetings. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you guys.